Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. Today's video is going to be a no makeup look. So if you're interested to know how I got this look with using all the drugstore brands, then keep on watching. Hello guys, I have put a hairband so that my hair doesn't come front when I'm doing my makeup. So we're gonna start by putting up a sunscreen, because sunscreen are really important. If you're going out, it's really important that you put a sunscreen before you go out. So I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It's SPF 50 plus. This is how it looks. I have been using this a lot, but a specific problem with this sunscreen is it leaves a very white cast in your skin. You will just see when I use this, which I don't like, but yeah, this is, I haven't tried many sunscreen. If you know any sunscreen which doesn't leave a white cast, then just let me know. और अभी हम लोग कहीं बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, so I'm just not making any effort to buy a sunscreen. I just use this because I stay in home and मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं like because of white cast and everything. So if you guys know, then do suggest me and leave down in the comments down below. So after putting a sunscreen, we have to wait till it absorbs, and then the next step is putting up a primer. So we have to wait for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then we can jump into the primer session. How you are guys? I hope everyone is doing well. I know everyone is having anxiety attacks now, but I really wish everything is fine and everything is going well in your life. It's just a really difficult time, and we have to go through it together. Guys, the next step is using a lip balm. I'm using this Nykaa Serial Kisser lip balm in the shade Green Apple, and I really like this. I have this in another flavor, that is, I think, I don't remember, but I really like that one. Raspberry, yes, it's in the flavor raspberry. I really like that, so I got another one, and it's really moisturizing. I like this Serial Kisser lip balms from Nykaa. These are really cheap too. These are like for 110 or 120, something like that. So it works really perfect for 120 rupees. If you ask me, then it works really nice. So let's quickly jump into the primer. The primer I'm gonna use today is the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This is a pore filling primer. I really like this primer, if you ask me, because it is nice. It's really nice, you guys. I really like this primer. So you can also, I'm having a recommendation here for another primer. If you don't want to spend like 500 rupees from a primer, I totally understand it. So you can also use this one. This is the Aroma Aloe Vera Gel, or you can also use the Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel, and you can see how much I have already used. I really like this gel. It is really calming. If you have any red rashes, you just have to take some and put that there, and yeah, you're done. It is really calming, so you can also use this, but it doesn't fill in your pores. It just give you a very nice base for your makeup to stay. It is really nice if you're using this as a moisturizer before your makeup. This works really nice for dry skin types as well as for oily skin types. Texture is something like this. If you can see, it's a silicone primer, so it's really nice to fill in your pores. If you have big pore, large pore issues near your nose and anywhere in your face, you can put it there, and your pores are suddenly filled. So it's really nice. Let me just give you a close-up so you can actually see how my face looks. You can see my pores, those are like filled. This smooth skin I really like. It gives a as it is a no makeup look, then we are not gonna apply any foundation today. We are gonna go directly in with a concealer. The concealer I'm gonna use today is the PAC Tech Cover concealer in this shade Classic Beige, and this is how the wand look like. Let me show it to you. This is how the wand look. It's really nice, and it is exactly my shade, so I really like that. So I'm putting a little bit near my eye, you can see, and the places where I have some issues, it will totally cover everything. I'm taking this beauty sponge, it's the Nykaa beauty sponge, and I'm just blending everything in. As you can see, it is a really beautiful concealer. All your dark spots and everything, it's just filled in. I really like how my face looks right now. I think I'm gonna take a little bit more and apply. It totally depends on you guys. If you feel you need a little more coverage under your eyes, because my dark circles are really bad at this point of time, so I just want to apply, and I want to cover some places where I don't want it to show. It totally depends on you if you want it to be very natural, or if you want your pose to shown, then it's totally your decision. Thing we're gonna do is use a loose powder. This is the loose powder I'm gonna use. This is the Blue Heaven loose powder, and I am in love with this powder from the day I've got it. If you're following me, then you know I love this so much. And I'm gonna bake my face. It totally depends on you. If you don't wanna bake, then don't bake. If I bake my face, my makeup seem to be unbudged like the whole day. Even if I wear my makeup, my concealer stays intact, पूरा अच्छे से रहता है, कुछ बज नहीं करता है. So I really prefer baking. Although I'm a dry skin type, I still bake because that is how my skin looks really nice. I'm using this sponge. This is from PAC, and if you want to put your powder all over your face, oily skin types tend to do something like that. You can totally do it. I just don't think I'll be doing it, so I'm fine with this look. Totally fine, so no need of doing that. Okay, we're gonna leave this like that, and we're gonna jump onto the eye makeup. For eyes, what I always try to do for a no makeup look is only put a mascara, right? I just put a mascara and I'm done with my eye look. But if you are interested to put an eyeliner or something, I have a suggestion for you. And this is the Maybelline eyeliner. This is the gel eyeliner. It comes with a brush like this. You can totally use this. It is a really nice eyeliner, so if you wanna use, then you can go ahead and use this. I'll just be using mascara because that is how I complete my eye, like no makeup look. So okay, I forgot to show which mascara I'm using. I'm using this Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Cat Eye mascara. This is how it looks. I love the packaging here, guys. You can see how good it is, but it is a little flimsy. Like, I'll say you, it's not totally good, but the mascara works perfect. I'll just show you in some time. Just wait a minute. It has this really nice wand. You can see, yeah, it's focused. You can see the wand. Her type ka wand hai basically. You can do whatever you want to do. You just have to wiggle it. It gonna separate your lashes and give it a very nice volume. It looks really beautiful, and the best thing about this is doesn't clump up your lashes. So you can see my lashes look so nice. Let me come here. You can see my lashes look really beautiful. I think the bake has been sitting there for a really long time. Let's just remove it. And I'm using this really big fluffy Miniso brush, and I'm removing it. So guys, as you can see, my face looks really nice, but it looks thoda plain and has no colors to it. So we're gonna add some colors. If you want, then you can use this, or else it totally your wish, you guys. This is the palette I'm gonna use today for my contour. This is the Maybelline contour palette, master contour palette. I don't know how many times I have shown this on my channel, but I really like this thing. So I'm gonna take a very little dust of the extra in my hands, and I'm just brushing over a little bit, right, just to add a little bit of depth on my face and nothing else. So just doing this. So just give your jawline a nice contour so that it looks really snap. So it's time for some blush. We're gonna use the same palette for a blush. You can don't just skip your blush, because it is the most important part of your no makeup look, because your look it feels like you have drank a lot of water if you put a lot of blush. So don't forget to just skip this step, because it is really important. It is a really light blush, so we have to apply it थोड़ा ज़्यादा to give it a effect, थोड़ा वैसा effect लाने के लिए. Yeah, but it totally depends on you if you want to use a highlighter or not, because I always use an highlighter. So this is the highlighter I'm going to use from the same palette. It is a really good highlighter, you guys. If you're going to ask me, I love the highlighter. You can see. Just add a little bit so that पता नहीं चले कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप लिए हो. दिस इज़ मिनिमल यू गाइज, इसमें कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा. दिस लुक्स रियली नाइस, बहुत ब्यूटिफुल, कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं चल रहा है. वॉट यू कैन डू इज़ टेक योर स्पूली एंड जस्ट ब्रश योर आईब्रोज. Do nothing but just brush. And if you really want that snatch look, you can obviously take some aloe vera gel, dip that in your spoolie and just brush it. Then it also looks really nice, and you can just set it for a really long time. I think my eyebrows look pretty good. I don't want to change anything in that. So here comes the last part. We're gonna jump into lipstick. Here I have two lipsticks from K Beauty. One is in the shade Just Friends and one is in the shade Billboard. So what I'm gonna do is gonna first line my lips by using the shade called Billboard. Just line it. As you can see, this shade is pura my lip shade. So what I'm gonna do to add a little bit of depth, I'm using this one this one is in the shade Just Friends from K Beauty again. And I'm just, so guys, you can see this is my final look. This is how my face looks after a makeup. I'm not going anywhere, so I haven't put a setting spray. But if you're going out and you want this to stay for a long time, then you can already use a setting spray. You can use anything. You can use the Wet n Wild one, the Maybelline one, the NYX one, whatever you like. Even the Swiss Beauty one, although I've never used it. But yeah, you can use anything. Then again, you can also use a face mist, Plum ka face mist. It also make sure that your makeup stays intact for a really long time, so you can also keep that in mind. This is how my makeup looks. I'm really happy with how my face is looking right now. And yeah, if you just like this makeup look, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We are soon gonna reach 200 subscribers, so let's make it fast. And do comment down below what are more other videos you want me to do. So you can also click the bell notification to get updated whenever I upload a new video. And with that guys, bye, see you, take care, I'll see you next time.